This is that Barleria cristata, one more color. Or maybe it's another Barleria. Whatever it is, I'll find out and write the correct title. And this Barleria is one of our Indian native species, and then many Barlerias are there, some 25-30 are there. And they are essential for our Indian gardens. They are native, they support butterflies and moths and all, and very pretty also. Then hardy, doesn't need much care. And flowers also can be, they are used for garlands and for worship and all also. And that's how this thing, that pod and all looks. So Barleria species, one more color combo.